Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you yet another method of installing APK files for Android apps in Windows 11. Since Windows 11 officially launched the Windows Subsystem for Android, I showed you a few methods that can help you install Android apps, the Google Play Store, APK files and so on. But I'm going to continue this series by showing you different tools and apps that can help you make this process a lot easier. So in this video we're going to talk about WSA-Pacman, which is a really nice app created by a GitHub user. You're going to have his links down below in the article. So a big shout out to him because we're talking about his app. So basically WSA-Pacman is a GUI package manager and package installer for the Windows Subsystem for Android, WSA. It provides double-click installer for APK files that shows app information, package icon version, permissions and so on, and other useful things. So in this video we're going to talk about this app, how you can use it, more exactly how you can use it to install Android apps in Windows 11. First of all, you need to have the Windows Subsystem for Android installed. So I've made videos about that and I'm going to link you down below an article that can help you easily install the Windows Subsystem for Android, all the requirements and step-by-step how to install it. It is really simple, so that's why I'm not repeating the process again. I'm only going to link you this article down below in the description. Now what you need to do after you installed the Windows Subsystem for Android is you need to open the Windows Subsystem for Android settings, search it in the Windows search and then click on it. We're going to have to change a few settings here. First of all, we're going to have to enable the developer mode and then click on manage developer settings. You can uncheck share my diagnostic data and then click on continue. Just wait for the Windows Subsystem for Android to start up and make sure to allow access in the Windows Defender firewall because the Windows Defender firewall automatically tries to block certain apps that can gain access to your operating system. In this case, the Windows Subsystem for Android is a Windows component that is safe and easy to use. Once the Windows Subsystem for Android is opened up, just scroll down a bit and make sure you have USB debugging enabled. After that, you can easily close out the Windows Subsystem for Android. Everything is set up as it should. Now let's go and download the WSA-Pacman app. You're going to have, of course, the official GitHub link in the article down below and also the download link. Go into this link and then download the installer.exe by clicking on it. If you receive this message that this file isn't commonly downloaded, just click on these three dots and then click on keep and then show more and keep anyway. The software is completely safe, so I'm just going to click on it to open it. On user account control, you have to click on yes, and you're going to have the setup here where you want to be installed. Click on next. You can leave this enabled. Associate WSA package manager with the .apk file extension, then click on next and then install. Now what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to restart the computer, and then after the restart we're going to be good to go. So that's what I'm going to do now. And of course, after you've done all this, the last piece of the puzzle would be to have an APK file. I already downloaded an APK file here. Basically it is the Facebook Lite APK file. Now the first thing that I really like about this WSA-Pacman app is that it automatically associates, as you can see, the APK files to the app. So you're just going to have to double click on the APK file and you'll be able to install it if you have the Windows Subsystem for Android correctly set up. That is really useful and it completely eases up the process. I'm just going to double click on this APK file because as you can see it was associated with the WSA-Pacman and we have this interface. Keep in mind this interface and everything was custom created by a GitHub developer, so that is really cool. Again, shout out to him. You're going to have all his links down below in the article. Make sure to start his GitHub repository. Now as you can see we have some information about the app, the version, the package, and also is going to tell us what this app will try to access in our computer. Also what I really like about this interface is that you can move it while dragging on every empty space, not only on this up bar. Again, talking about APK files, I won't recommend you any website to download APK files from because personally I used multiple websites, but make sure to check out if the website is safe and download your APK files from known sources and safe sources. So be very careful. Now of course on certain apps, if the install button won't be available, that is because either the APK file is not correct, doesn't have the correct information, or is not set up correctly. So if you don't have the install button available, just download another APK and you should be good to go. Now on this APK file, I'm going to click on install. To install it, you're going to see that the application was successfully installed. We even have the option to create a desktop shortcut. We can dismiss or open the app. So I'm just going to click on open the app. As you can see, the shortcut was created and the app is working as it should. And of course you can allow it to have access to certain things, but that is really really cool. So in my opinion, the WSA-Pacman package manager is one of the best, if not the best, software that you can use for that. So again, a big shout out to the creator of this app. I'm really glad I found it, and I think it will help you also. The best feature about it is that it automatically associates this software to the APK files, so you don't have to drag and drop anything. You don't have to copy any locations. You just download the APK file, double click on it, and you have a graphical user interface that you can use to install that APK file. You can automatically create a shortcut on your desktop. I think this is a really cool app that you need to check out. So you're going to have all the links and all the information needed in the article down below, and don't forget that in the description of this video you're going to have the article on how to install the Windows subsystem for Android if you didn't do that already, or if you don't know how to do it. If this video is useful, don't forget to leave a like down below, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.